Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing a get ready with me featuring a full face of makeup from Wish. I made this order back in May and I finally received everything. I spent about $50 altogether, and that's including shipping. If you don't know about Wish, it's basically a site where you can go on and find pretty much anything from mittens to cat ears to makeup to iPhone accessories. 90% of the things are crap. Now, mind you, this is my first purchase from there, but I've watched enough Wish videos to know that there's not a ton of great stuff on there, or at least not great quality stuff. I've heard a lot of things that, especially with the makeup, they put very disagreeable and even gross ingredients in their makeup, and I bet you're wondering why the hell I'm doing this. Well, I'll try anything once. Now, I wanted to tell you how much I paid for each thing, but unfortunately when I go back to my order history on Wish, it isn't showing me actually what I paid for it, it's showing me how much it is now. So I'm assuming all the prices change all the time, so I will tell you, basically I bought everything for about $50. So without further ado, let's get into this. I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty, obviously it's not the real Huda Beauty. So this Warm Brown Obsessions for my eyeshadow, and this You Can Be eyeshadow palette in number 02, and it's just a bunch of mattes. So I'm gonna be using these two for my eye makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do what I normally do and kind of just speed through it all real fast, and then I will tell you my thoughts on how this performed. So, here we go. Alright, so the eyes are done. This Huda Beauty palette was actually okay. I didn't use the one metallic shade, but, I mean, yeah, it's really pretty. I understand people's reasoning for wanting to order from Wish because everything is really cheap, even with the shipping. But, I mean, I don't know. I don't like when people do this and, like, steal other people's ideas and downright their products. I don't know. I just find a problem with that. But I will say this worked the best out of pretty much everything I used on my eyes so far. This Faux Era is basically a ColourPop. I wouldn't be surprised if this is actually a ColourPop shadow, but not as pigmented. This is kind of crap. Even the black shade was like sheer and crap. But again, I wasn't expecting it to be amazing. All right, so what I'm actually doing is all my skincare and pre-makeup stuff is my own because I want to see how everything performs with stuff I'm already comfortable with and stuff I already know works well. The three things I didn't actually get were mascara, eyeliner, and concealer. Oh, and brows. Those are the 4 things I didn't get as part of my full face because honestly, I just didn't feel like fucking looking for this stuff. Like, it's a smorgasbord of shit all over that site. It was just, it was stressful. So first thing we're gonna do is use this, which looks oddly like the ordinary packaging. This is the Faux Era Full Coverage Naturally Flawless Lightweight Feel Foundation, and it's in soft matte, and the color is, this is 104 Buff Beige. I don't know if it's gonna match, but whatever. All right, it's definitely thicker than the ordinary's foundation. Color doesn't look too bad. Color is actually not bad. It doesn't smell weird. It kind of smells like skincare. I would say that's very close to full coverage. It feels awful on my face. Has a little bit of tackiness to it, but it's almost like a rubbery pulling kind of feel. Like I could like pull on my skin and it like tugs. It's weird. Face is done. We're gonna set it with powder, and this is the La Mela setting powder. And it is like a very light, almost white shade. And let's hope it shears out to nothing because this looks pretty fucking white. Okay. This sucker actually came half opened. It looked like somebody was transporting illegal substances. Okay, that's not bad. Reduced the shine, but it didn't make me look horribly cakey. All right, next we're gonna do bronzer, which, I mean, this isn't MAC. And it didn't advertise as MAC, but everything is in MAC packaging, so this is the bronzer I got. This is also covered in stuff, and I mean, obviously this has been like repressed, and this is so fucking orange, I'm scared to death. And this smells like plastic. This doesn't smell like plastic. The inside smells like plastic. Oh dear God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, I'm not neon orange, but I'm definitely, this is Oompa Loompa territory. So I'm really trying to be delicate here. There's gonna be no contouring going on. I mean, obviously. All right, we're gonna stop right there. Blush. So we're gonna go in with this Miva Girl. Miva Girl, is that what it is? Number 4. Miva Girl, number 4. And this is a baked blush. Pretty cute. Ooh, that's nice. It definitely has some pigment. That's fun. And it's got a little shimmer to it. Huh, it's kind of nice. It's got... It's kind of clashing with my bronzer. All right, and now highlighter, and this is by Miss Rose, and it's the shimmer highlight, and this looks very much like J-Cat Beauty. Very pretty, very pigmented. I think I'm gonna like that. Let's do it. No concerning smell, that's always good to know. Whoa, that's very nice. All right, the last two things are lips, and we have the High Pigment Lip Liner 2-in-1 Lipstick by Miss Rose again, and this is the Boudoir Lip Gloss, and it's like a nude shade. Ooh, lip gloss, attractive lips. All right, so we have a nude. I'm pretty sure this is a liquid lipstick though. I don't remember ordering a gloss. I would never do that. Oh dear God. Okay, that's like total fucking peach. I'm pretty sure this is a burgundy color, which is I'm definitely gonna use. This is sealed. That's always nice. Nothing else here was actually like sealed like this. So we have a lipstick and then the lip liner. So we're gonna use this. Not the worst lip liner I've ever felt, but I mean, it's definitely not creamy or anything. I have some foundation and powder on my lips. It doesn't work well like over that stuff. On your bare lips, it's okay. All right, well that sucks. I'm gonna go for the lipstick. I don't know if this is gonna be much better, but I guess we're gonna see. Oh my God, this is bad. Like, look at this. This is so dry and like waxy feeling. Whoa. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish smoking it under my, oh. No, I'm not even gonna finish, okay? This is awful. So bad. And you know what? I'm gonna put this on top of his fucking lips. I mean, this is clearly not a gloss. But I will say it improved the lip situation a tiny bit, because that fucking color was horrendous. Final thoughts? Don't order from Wish if you don't have to. If you want to, go ahead. I mean, I don't recommend these things by any means. There's nothing here that I'm like, you need this. In fact, you need none of this. This is total trash, this Oompa Loompa bronzer. This blush is okay, but it didn't it gave off more of a sheen than it did an actual blush. Product's very pretty, but again, total dupe for J-Cat Beauty highlighters is forgettable. This is actually not bad, but why not just buy the ordinary instead? No. God, no. These two things were actually okay, but I mean, you best believe the second this is over, I'm washing all of this off my face because I'm just nervous of the backlash that may happen. All the colors I used in here actually were nice and they were smooth and not the best quality, but I mean, very not awful. This actually went on very close to, like I said, ColourPop. This is like garbage. I mean, everything I used from here was like a sheer wash of color. So I mean, you know what I question? The whole point of Wish. I could see getting other things from there, like they have iPhone watches, or iWatches, what are they called? Apple Watches. They have like a bunch of electronics, GoPro, not real GoPros, or real iWatches or whatever. You can try them cheaper. I definitely wouldn't recommend buying makeup off there. I just don't see the point. I mean, you have Wet n Wild, you have Catrice at the drugstore, you have, what else is cheap? Rimmel, like, go buy that stuff instead. You definitely don't need this stuff. I'm gonna go sanitize my brushes, scrub my face until it bleeds, and put a mask on or something. Yeah, so that was my Wish. This was my first encounter with Wish products, and I definitely don't recommend them. Nothing here was recommendable. Okay, so that was it. If you want to see me try other products from like these kind of things, like I think there's like Miss A and like other kind of sites like this, let me know. Unless you want to try this stuff, then definitely don't ask me to try those videos because you probably won't like the outcome. That was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.